In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share videos through OneDrive. The ability to easily and securely share videos is an essential skill, whether you're collaborating on a work project or sharing a memorable moment with friends and family. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. Head over to the Microsoft website and use your credentials to sign in. This account is your key to accessing OneDrive, among other Microsoft services. Once you're logged in, navigate to the App Launcher, which is a small icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This launcher acts as your gateway to a suite of Microsoft apps. From here, locate and click on OneDrive. Think of OneDrive as your cloud storage hub, where you can store and manage your videos. Now that you're in OneDrive, you're ready to start organizing and sharing. Go to My Files, which is essentially your main directory containing all the folders and files you've stored. Search for the folder where your video resides. If you have multiple folders, make sure to navigate to the correct one for easier access. Organizing your files in appropriately named folders can save you a lot of time in future searches. Once you have the right folder open, locate the video file you want to share and click to select it. With your video selected, a whole menu of options will appear. Among them is the all-important Share button. Click on Share, and a new window will pop up, presenting you with a variety of sharing options. At this point, you can enter the email address of the person you wish to share the video with. If you're sharing with multiple people, you can input several email addresses, separating them with commas. Here's where customization comes into play. Decide if you want the recipients to simply view the video or have the ability to edit it. This flexibility can be crucial for maintaining the security and integrity of your shared content. If you prefer an extra layer of protection, set a password for your shareable link. That way, only individuals with the password can access the video. You can also set an expiration date for the link, limiting access to the video and giving you added control. Finally, you're set to send the link. Choose to send it directly to the recipient's emails or copy the link to share through other platforms. This step finalizes the process, making your video accessible to the chosen individuals. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a video through OneDrive. By following these simple steps, you can ensure a smooth and secure sharing experience. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing!